For your consideration is this just about mint dual 1237 belt drive turntable. This table has been fitted with a brand new dust cover which is thicker and heavier than the original, but still within the load range of the factory hinges. Bright work is superb, brand new platter belt just installed. Do note this table only comes with a single play spindle. If you obtain and utilize a drop changer spindle, the lid must remain in the upright position. This has an ADC cartridge with a brand new aftermarket stylus. This table has superb sound. The only things keeping this table from being absolutely mint are some marks here on the base, right here in the front, and some marks here on the top back side. Other than that, this table is flawless, and of course it's in perfect working order. Through the start button we have Q up, to the correct point of the record, along with a smooth descent down.
That's all I got.
Manual Q is operational, along with a smooth descent. Through the stop button we have full auto return. Rest. End table down. And at the end of the record, full auto return. Rest. And table down. Thanks for considering. Good luck bidding.